discussing a non-technical part where the dogs have earned the title of man's best friend for a good reason, as their bond with human stretches back thousands of years, where the unique relationship began when early humans domesticated was transforming them from wild predators into loyal companions. Over time, dogs have not only provided protection and companionship but also become an integral part of human life. Dogs are always providing and contributing to our emotional, physical, and social being, whether as believe pets, service animals, or working dogs in rescue and law enforcement. Their loyalty, intelligence, and their unconditional love continue to make them invaluable to humans, whereas the human also get back them to all over things. That's why bonding between the human and dogs are maintained from many years ago. In this video, we will explore why dogs have always held a special place in our hearts, proving they are indeed man's best friend. Dogs is have long been regarded as man's best friends because of bond that has developed over of thousands of years. There is a relationship is unique, whereas the begin with the domestication of wolves involving the protection, the love, physical, mental uh, stability, who have nothing to survival this life. He can use the pet dogs, which is to provide protection, loyalty, and making them not making them lonely feeling. Also in various aspects of life. In modern times, dogs continues to serve human in numerous roles. Loyal pets to working animal in field like therapy, law, and enforcement and rescue operation like police or army's operations, whereas they mostly use to check bombs, whereas the dog smell are the powerful. In addition to their emotional and practical contribution, dog also help foster social connections among humans, whereas the taking a dogs for a walk often leads to interaction with other dogs owners, creating opportunity to conversation and friendship together with them, community, and building. Dog brings people together from doing these activities, whether it's through share activities. Also, the local dogs, parks, or social media communities centered around pet care. Pet care is mostly in district-wise cities, and furthermore, dogs have been known to have a positive impact on families, Chi- teaching children responsibility, empathy, and compassion. Uh, they playful and joyful in nature can easy household tension and brings same to as a small children's in our home. And in small in a small town, ultimately talks not only improve individual well-being but also strengthen social bonds. Where are the more and more people are connecting with them and always further proving why they truly deserve the title of the man's best friend. There are the some reasons where the dog are often referred to as man best friend. Is their unmatched loyalty, unconditional love, and ability to understand human emotions and playing with humans. That's low of stress in humans. Many studies have shown that dogs can sense when their owners are stressed, sad, or offering a comfort simply by being present. Their ability to form deep emotional bonds with human sets them apart from the animals. This connection is more than human, I think. This connection is more than human. Where are the statement by the fact that dogs are pack animal by nature and they see humans as part of their pack, making them naturally protective and caring towards their owners. Over is dogs are most caring, protection pets than others. Mostly dogs also plays an essential roles like improving mental and physical health. Studies have demonstrated that having a dog reduce stress and making feeling comfortable, and also the due to the dog even blood pressure also decreases. The act of caring for a dog encourage physical activities such as walking, playing, which benefit both the dogs and its owner. In addition to physical benefits, dogs provide emotional support, helping in the individual copes with the loneliness, depression, and other emotional challenges. Dogs are also integral in many professional fields. Service dogs helps individuals with disabilities navigate daily life. Therapy dogs provide comfort to those in hospital or mental health facilities. And search and rescue dogs assist in locating people in disasters. In law enforcement, dogs are trained to detect drug, explosive, and even track missing persons. Their niche sense of smell and trainability make them invaluable in these roles. where the loyalty, intelligence, the compassion of dogs have solidified their place as more than just pets. They are true champions who enrich the lives of the peoples. They share their lives with whether as working animals or beloved pets. Dogs continue to demonstrate why they are and always will be a man best friend. In a conclusion, dogs are the most than just animals. They are loyal and helpers and protectors. Their presence in our life bring joy, emotional support, and even improve our physical health. This deep connection between humans and dogs is what truly makes them men best friends. Many dogs is a owner. If owner having any issues or problems from another person, then the dogs are attacking them, where through their loyalty, love, and service, dogs have earned a permanent place in our hearts and homes. I also use the dog pet, where I always missing him. He death past years uh, from his disease. The relation between human and dogs is built on mutual trust and compassion, making them inseparable partners throughout history. Dogs have evolved alongside human, adapting to our environments, emotions, and behaviors in way no other animals has. Their ability to communicate with us through body language, eye contacts, and vocalization straightness the emotion bond between dogs and owners. Whether it's throwing a wagging tail or gentle and nude, dogs instinctively know how to make feelers love and understood. The deep connection goes beyond more often becoming a lifelong friendship that many people cherish. Beyond their emotional supports, dogs have played vital roles in human society for centuries. Historical, they have been as using hunting partners, protectors, and livestock as guardians of home. The role have expanded with dogs working as service animals for the disabled, police dogs, and law enforcement. Also, therapies using uh, from guiding the blind to detecting medical conditions. Dogs have proven themselves to the more than just pets. They are true helpers and protectors. And what makes dogs stand out, man, best friends, is their unwavering loyalty. Unlike many animals, dogs from deep attachment to their owners, often putting their owners' needs above their own. This loyalty has been documented. Is countless stories of dogs waiting of their owners for days, weeks, or even years, displaying a level of devotion that touches in hearts of many. Whether you are protecting their families, helping in times of needs, simply the being of comforting presence during difficult times. Dogs show a level of loyalty and affection that is rare to find elsewhere. This is a special connection. This is a special connection is what makes them more than just uh, they are true friends of for life.